Hi class, we need to take a look at, a couple of formulas as we evaluate polar equations. And here's the main idea and the main objectives. So we're going to take a look at a couple of graphs in polar. Some of the graphs are going to be part of the conic section, so I just need you to pay attention to the ones that are covered in the lecture and in the reading. Those are the ones that you're responsible for. Some of the graphs could get really messy. So if we're going to be calculating derivatives or areas, the graphs may be given on those problems. And if we're talking about a polar equation, well, this is the actual way to express the actual first derivative. We're only responsible to evaluate the first derivative, look at the slope, and perhaps the equation of the tangent line at a given point. And then also the third main topic in this section is how do we evaluate, within a region, the area that's under the curve, or in between curves. You could have basically two polar equations. Okay, so let's take a look at the first main objective, which is provide a couple of sketches. Now, same idea on what we've done on the past. If I ask you for a specific graph, it'll be something that we've done in class, and then I need you to confirm all the graphs with Desmos as you're working on the homework assignments. But the ones that I would put on a future exam would be kind of like the ones that we've been doing in the lectures. And let's take a look at r is equal to 4. Now, they want us to provide just a sketch. They want a total of 3 coordinate points, and then they want you to identify the conic section. So keep in mind that if you just have r is equal to 4, for this one, well, if you need to identify the conic section, this is going to be r squared is equal to 16. And remember that x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So this is x squared plus y squared is equal to 4 to the second. So this conic section just happens to be a circle with radius of 4. Now, they want at least 3 coordinate points. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the coordinate points I'll just say that it's going to be 0, 4, 4, 0, negative 4, 0, and 0, negative 4. And we just want a basic sketch. They're not actually asking us to express it in rectangular. If you remember the formulas, r is equal to 4. It's a circle that we talked about earlier. And in this case, well, that's our equation. R is equal to 4. Some of the problems it may not be efficient to go into rectangular. You may have to evaluate a couple of coordinate points and then confirm it with Desmos. For this particular one, this is r is equal to 4, and well, it's just a circle. That's actually it for example 1. We'll do a couple of graphs and then move into derivatives and integrals.